Library Land, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Summertime STEM. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a colorful demonstration that's known as walking water. You could also view this video as part of our missions for our summer reading program, Imagine Your Story, which is available through the Read Squared app. So if you haven't already registered, make sure to do that. So what you're going to need for this experiment is, as always, some simple items that we have at home. Clear plastic cups or glasses, a pitcher of water, paper towels, and food coloring. What you're going to do is you're going to lay 5 cups next to each other. You're going to fill the first one with water, the second one leave empty, the third one with water, the fourth one leave empty, and then the fifth one with water. What we're going to do with the first one is add about 10 to 15 drops of red food coloring. With the third cup, we're going to add about 10 drops of yellow food coloring. And then in the last cup, we're going to add about 10 drops of blue food coloring. We're now going to carefully take our paper towels and we're going to fold them. What you're going to want to make sure is that your color is evenly distributed. You might need to get a straw or a spoon and give it a little swirl. The red and the yellow look great. So you're going to fold this as thinly as possible and you're going to carefully place it in. And you could see that red color shooting up the paper towel. And then you're going to place the next one in the yellow. Then you're going to fold another paper towel thinly, place it on this side of the yellow water, and don't be afraid to get your hands in there if you want it to straighten out. It's just food coloring and water. Sometimes your hands are your best tool. And then lastly, into the blue. Now we're going to let this experiment sit overnight. And we're going to come back and check what happens tomorrow. I'm so excited to see. This is Miss Solari signing off. Make some predictions. What do you think's going to happen? Bye-bye. Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Miss Solari here. Thank you so much for joining me again for this episode of Summertime STEM. So what happened is we set up our walking water experiment. We filled up a cup 1, 3, and 5, and we filled it with red dye, yellow dye, and blue dye. We left the second and fourth cup empty, and we filled it with paper towels folded to almost look like a ribbon. We then left it for about an hour and a half, and we have a video camera set up on it. So make sure you watch the second part of this video to watch what happened during the experiment. When we came back, the water had absorbed up the paper towel and slowly traveled into the next cup. So what happened for our second cup is the red went one direction and dripped in, the yellow came up, and we had orange. In our fourth cup, the yellow came up on one side, the blue on the other, and we have green. And this happened through absorption. And also how the water traveled from an area of high concentration, the filled cup, to an area of low concentration, the empty cup. Try to recreate this experiment at home. Try to make different colors. Maybe do more than 5 cups. I can't wait to see your version of this experiment. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.